when I looked at the additional information you provided, and it indicated that the matter regarding Mr. Erickson was from 2003, and the matter regarding Mr. Kennedy was 2005, I too was surprised, because I feel like we've been sort of, at least members of this committee have been receiving information about this for many, many years. And note that in one instance, it was 7 years ago, and in another instance, it was 5 years ago. It just seems like I agree with you that it seems like it had been over a longer period of time. I know that probably wasn't fun for you. I appreciate that fact.
I don't think the hearings are intended to be fun.
No, but I also think it's important for the public to know that there may be areas that are, problematic, and that everybody has due process rights to come speak to this committee. We want to hear all sides of the story. Some of them are easier to sort of parse out than others. I've had knowledge of your experience in the courts from people that have practiced before you, but at the same time, I think it's important that we look into everything and take everything as objectively as humanly possible. And so you've answered my questions, and I appreciate your candor this afternoon in doing that. Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Further questions?
Yes.
Representative Gonzalez.
Good afternoon, Judge Kaplan.
Good afternoon or good evening, which you wish.
Judge, I think that you're famous. If you go to Google, your name will come up, Judge Kaplan. And I think it's a lot of questions. I think it's a lot of concern because it's a lot of allegations against you. And some of those allegations are that you have told the defendant before you finish the case, you're guilty and you go to prison. And they said that, people are scared of you at Rockville court. And also, allegations are that you place papers in legal files in the court to influence the outcome of cases, different cases, when for some reason you don't like the defendant. There's so many allegations against you that I believe that some members they were concerned. And in the beginning I thought that it's nothing against big guys, but I thought he was a big, judge. And I when I saw you today, I said, something is wrong. But I would like for you to explain a little bit about those complaints. I think that it's me asking questions, knowing that, allegations saying that if any person get in front of you and ask questions that you don't like, or any attorney that agree with you, you go after that attorney, you call some defendant's job, you make them lose the job, you go after these attorneys, you put them in jail. There's so many complaints against you that I would like for you to explain what's going on out there.
Thank you for asking the question, which gives me the opportunity to explain. The allegations that you're talking about, once again, come from two people. And they have made these statements over and over again to the point where people sometimes think they may be true when they're not. There are allegations that one of them that I told his lawyer to stop representing me. That's just simply not true. I never said that. I never would. It just didn't happen. There was one allegation one of these people made was that I stuck my tongue out at him. Anybody who knows me just knows that's not how I operate. If anything, I tend to get quiet when I get angry. I don't yell at people. And I sometimes in court, either lawyers or sometimes the courts will say to me, why do you let so-and-so go on for so long? I let people talk very many times for 2 or 3 times what they should be allowed to talk, to give them the opportunity to get their point of view on the record. So when they said that I cut them off and I didn't allow them to speak, or I didn't allow their lawyers to put on the case, it's just not true. I could tell you the one who claims that I told him something about he was guilty and he was going to go to jail before the trial was over, it's, I think, notable that his lawyer is not here making that same allegation, because the lawyer would not make that allegation in good faith. It's just not true. So, again, it's very difficult to prove a negative, but these allegations have been floated time and time again by two individuals. And I probably have come in contact with, I mean, in 25 years, I probably have come in contact with 15,000, 20,000 litigants. And when two individuals make these comments over and over again, you think it becomes true simply because they're saying it. It's just not true.
Judge, can you explain to me what is a habeas corpus?
Habeas corpus, under the statutory habeas corpus statute that we have in Connecticut, is a post-conviction filing asking for relief in a case after a conviction of a crime. There are other uses of habeas corpus.